Hello the world. This is Tastuya in Japan. Today I'm going to show you about Shizuoka prefecture. When COVID-19 disappears, I'd like you to come to Shizuoka. First of all, let me explain about a Japanese symbol, Mount Fuji. This is the highest mountain in Japan, located between Yamanashi prefecture and Shizuoka prefecture. The volcano you can view from Shinkansen bullet train is the one seen from Shizuoka. Second character of Shizuoka is tea. There are tea cultures all over the world, and Japan has a green tea culture. In that nation, the area that produces green tea the most is Shizuoka. It would be great for you to drink green tea while viewing Mount Fuji. Not only green tea, Shizuoka is rich in fruits, especially oranges and strawberries are popular. It has a lot of sunny days and warm climate, so strawberries can be for sale on January or February. When you visit Shizuoka, I'd like you to eat these fresh fruits, as well as fruits or tea. Seafood is delicious here. For example, in Hamana Lake, the breed eels and Yaizu part get a lot of fish, including bonitas, tunas, mackerels, and shrimps. You can eat high-quality sushi. Not only agriculture, fisheries, industries are great too. Especially its production of motorcycles are popular. Well-known companies such as Suzuki, Yamaha, and Honda are made in Shizuoka. Without this prefecture, the Japanese economy would be much weaker. Shizuoka area is well known for its onsen hot springs, including Atami, Ito, Atagawa, and Shuzenji. You can enjoy such kinds of onsen while seeing Mount Fuji. Shizuoka has Mount Fuji and faces Pacific Ocean. Then you can enjoy both sea and mountains, and thanks to which the area can get higher quality tea, fruits, and seafood. Moreover, it is well known for cars and motorcycles, such as Suzuki or Honda. It is located near Tokyo, and you can enjoy onsen. That's all for this video today. Thank you for watching it. Subscribe my channel. Bye.